Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Telegram messages without being seen. Now, before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is open up your Telegram, and once you are on this screen, you want to click on privacy and security. So click on that, and you have multiple options here, but what interests you is this last seen and online. You want to click on that. And then again, you have some few options here, but what interests you is this hide read time. So you can hide the time when you read the message from people who can see your last seen. If you turn this on, the read time will also be hidden from you unless you're a premium user. This setting does not affect group chats. So if I turn this on and then I go read a message I have on Telegram, that user won't be notified, or they won't be able to see that I even seen their message because I have this turned on. If you want to turn it on, just click on it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.